Welcome to the Cardinal Minute with your host and chair of the University of Louisville Department of Medicine, Dr. Kim Williams.
Hello, my name is Forrest Arnold, the Chief of the Division of Infectious Diseases, and it's my pleasure today to introduce Dr. Belal Aldaas, who's going to speak about what's hot in HIV. Without a cure, it's very important to keep up with this subject, and I enjoyed the talk very much today. Dr. Aldaas?
Well, thank you so much for the introduction. The field of HIV is a very busy field with the research, both basic and clinical. We already learned about very potent treatments that's already in the practice, and we use them on a daily basis. We're seeing more, new treatments in the pipeline. Some of them have been really just released a couple of months ago, and we're very excited to learn about them. And I'm seeing that to be shaping the management of HIV in the very, very current and near future.